Hey everybody, it's MadCam Plastics here again today. It's been a couple of days since I posted another video. What I'm going to do today is, again, having some fun, playing around with some colors. I don't know what exactly the color I'm going to do, but I am going to do a stick bait. And instead of just doing the tips of the bait, different color, I'm going to do something a little bit different that you normally don't see, I guess, because I haven't seen one, and if I have, I apologize. So I don't want to say what I'm gonna do because I want you guys to watch my video, and please subscribe down below and hit the notification button and leave some comments. I read them every day if there is any, and we'll go from there and we'll see how it turns out. We'll see you soon. Hope this turns out. It's really sunny out today. That's what it's supposed to look like. Darken it up, thicken it a bit more. Okay. Let's get that in there. Here we go. Okay. Let's see what I'm planning on doing here. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can get that color. Yeah, there it is. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put them all back in place. And like I said in the intro, I don't think I've seen this before, but if I have, then, or if it has been done, but I've never seen people cut the worm in half. I've always seen the tips, never in half. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just want to make sure everything's in place and they're all even. That's the big thing. You want to make sure they sit in there. You don't stretch them. Just kind of let them fall into place. Okay. And a good way to tell on the stickworms is the separation that they have already, the indent in the middle of the worm. Try to line them up as much as you can. And then we're going to get a sharp knife. So, falling apart on me here. Now, one of my favorite colors, match anyway, blend, is a dual injection, is the white with the chartreuse. So, I figured, why not do white? Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm going to do white and chartreuse together, but half a worm each. And we'll see how that goes. Now, I have to give a shout out to CMA Outdoors. This stuff is clear as a bell, and I haven't had to put it in the chamber at all to get bubbles. My last stuff, I'm not going to say where I got it from, it was awful. It literally, every single time I heated it up, I had to put it in the chamber, no matter what I did. Plus, I would lose half of the stuff because it would bubble over. And this stuff looks amazing. Sucks when you can't find your stuff.
Misunderstanding, that was Genesis. It's on 137 FM, 80s, 90s, whatever. It's an brackets. All you have to do is be the first person to correctly answer the trivia question. If you get it right, you win. Just imagine for a second if you won big off of these lotto tickets. There would be some serious bragging rights for me.
Yeah, I can't say it enough. I think I'm gonna like using this stuff. Oh, there it is. Right at the end. Make sure you top off that sprue. There we go. You see that? There we go. Those are my two favorite colors, but in a dual injection style. So I think that's pretty cool. So, just gonna. Another thing is, I want to test this stuff to see how well it works for reheating, because the other stuff I finally used up did not like being reheated again, and so I wasted a lot of extra. I had to throw it all out because it would burn, and it looked burnt. You could really tell. This stuff stays nice and clear. Get some black fleck. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's check this out. See how that turns out. Oh. All right, here we go. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. That's with a little bit of black fleck in there. And now I'm going to do just white and put some flake in there and see how that turns out. School bus in the background there. Kitties are getting home. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. Very nice. I'm very happy with this Plastisol for sure.